In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic payments for your Bank of America credit card, ensuring your bills are paid on time without the fuss of manual payments. This process is straightforward and can be done on either the Bank of America mobile app or their website. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Bank of America account. If you're on the go, open up the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Alternatively, if you're at a computer, go to bankofamerica.com. Once there, enter your online ID and passcode to sign in. If you haven't set that up yet, make sure to do so beforehand, as that information is essential for accessing your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your list of accounts. Here, you'll want to focus on your credit card account, so go ahead and tap or click on that. This action will bring up a detailed view of your credit card activity, including your recent activity, current balance, and available payment options. Next, you'll need to locate the option to manage your automatic payments. Scroll through the available options until you find Autopay or Automatic Payments under the Payments and Transfers section. When you spot it, tap on that option to begin setting up your Autopay preferences. Now, the pivotal step, choosing how you want your automatic payments to be made. You'll be presented with several choices, such as making the minimum payment, a fixed amount, or paying the full statement balance. To prevent accumulating interest and potential debt from carrying over a balance, it's advisable to select Pay Statement Balance in Full. This choice ensures that whatever you owe for the month gets paid completely. Moving forward, you'll need to select the account from which you want the payment to be deducted. Choose your Bank of America checking account if that's where you want the funds to come from, or you can select another linked bank account. Along with this, confirm the date for making these payments. It's generally best to align this with your statement's due date to avoid late fees. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review everything you've set. You'll see a summary that outlines the details of your autopay setup, including the account being used for payment, the method you've chosen, and the payment date. If everything looks correct, proceed by tapping Save or Confirm. Once you complete this step, you'll be greeted with a confirmation screen indicating that your autopay setup is active. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled automatic payments for your Bank of America credit card, ensuring you stay on top of your financial management effortlessly. Remember, this setup can bring peace of mind knowing that your payments will go through even in the busiest times.